Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Octa Trading application using your mobile device. If you are looking for a way to sign out of Octa Trading app, first of all, open up the Octa application on your smartphone and from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. In the More menu, tap on the Logout button. Confirm logout by tapping Logout once again when prompted. Right after you do that, you will be logged out of your Octa account. You'll be returned to the login screen. To access your account again, simply enter your credential after choosing one of these sign-in options. So that's how you easily log out or sign out of Octa application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Octa trading tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thanks for watching.